If you have a 12 by 12 overhead door with a 1/2 inch gap around the perimeter of it, you have a 216 square inch hole right in the middle of your door. That's a 20 by 10 gaping hole right in the middle of your building, making the interior of your building filthy, your employees uncomfortable, and throwing your energy bill right in the trash. For those of you who can't quite visualize what size of a gap that is on an overhead door, I want to show you in just a moment.
Oh, that's a big hole.
You wouldn't want a huge gaping hole like this in the middle of your door all winter long. If you need to seal up those doors or dock equipment, give American a call at 833-418-3667 or visit our easy-to-use website at americandoorsupply.com and find all of the products you need to weather strip up those doors. Hope to see you soon.